So today we will discuss the topics Cardan's method, reciprocal equation, transformation of equation. Starting with the Cardan's method, which is the general solution of a cubic equation. Here is a problem which is x cube minus 18x minus 35 equal to 0. In solution, let's take x equal to u plus v. Cubing both the sides, we will get the equation x cube minus 3uvx minus whole bracket u cube plus v cube equal to 0. Now on comparing this with the given equation, we will get u equal to 6 by v. Also we will get the equation y square minus 35y plus 216 equal to 0. To get the roots of y, we have the formula minus b plus minus root over 4ac by 2a. While performing some calculation, we will get the roots 27 and 8. On this we will only take one of the roots. Let's take 27. On 27, whilst performing some calculations, we will get the final answer. We will get the final answer which is 5, minus 5 plus I root 3 by 2 minus 5 minus I root 3 by 2. So now we will discuss about the topic reciprocal equation. The question given is 6x to the power 4 plus 35x to the power 2 plus 62x to the power 2 plus 35x plus 6 equal to 0. In solution, we know that the equation containing the degree of 4 which is even and first type which is also the standard form. Now we will take the equation and the same coefficients together, taking out the common coefficients out and dividing the whole equation by x square, we will get 6x square plus 1 by x square whole bracket plus 35x plus 1 by x whole bracket plus 62 equal to 0, which is taken as first equation. Let's take t equal to x plus 1 by x and squaring both the sides, we will get t square minus 2 equal to x square plus 1 by x square. Using this in equation first, we will get t equal to minus 5 by 2, t equal to minus 10 by 3. And now while performing some calculation, we will get two equation which is x square plus 10x plus 3 equal to 0, 2x square plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we will do some calculations to get the roots, which is from these two equations the roots are x equal to minus 3 and minus 1 by 3, x equal to minus 2 and minus 1 by 2. So the roots are minus 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 and minus 1 by 2. Now we will discuss about the topic transformation of equation. So here the given question is x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Find an equation without solving its whose roots will be 2 times of the roots of the given equations. In solution, given x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Let alpha be a root of this equation. Now let y equal to 2 alpha, which is alpha equal to y by 2. Since alpha is a root of 1, so alpha square plus 5 alpha plus 6 equal to 0. Here we will take alpha y by 2 in this equation and do some calculation. So we will get y square plus 10y plus 24 equal to 0, which is the required equation in this solution.